Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard like this. So basically what it does is, according to the percentage, it will update in this and digitally here. So same thing we'll try to create in the sheet nearby. Let's go to view and take the grid line out, come to insert and insert the donut chart. Okay, let me make it a little bigger. If you see here, we have number from 5 to 100, 5, 10, 15. It's basically 50 table. So how to create that one? 5, 10. I will explain you why I am creating this. Okay. These numbers will basically fill here. So there are 20 chunks we need to split this chart. How to split is go to select data, click add and make this 120 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are 20 splits now. And let's go to design and choose the last one. Click these numbers. And value from cells. This is where we are going to select the values which we created before. Click OK and take the percentage out. Now we have numbers. Select the chart. Let's fill a color, gradient color. And let's take this title out and also this one. And let's hide this border and this one. How to do is say no fill and no outline. So this is ready. Yeah. Now let's create the needle. So needle can be created by using a triangle shape. Let's make it a little smaller. Exactly center. So we were not able to see this line here. So let's make a border. Solid line. And a little more smaller. Use arrow keys for slight moving right and left. Yeah. I'm going to copy paste this one more time and twice and attach this with that. Select both the things, right click, group it so that it will not move, and for here as well we'll create a gradient and among them choose the below one and go to format shape and increase the transparency so that it will be hidden to 100% and let's say no fill. No. So that's done. Now let's create this one, this oval. Insert shape and oval shape. I put that like this and right click that one. I'm going to delete that. Let's create it outside. Shape like this. Say gradient for matching the color and bring it on top of it. So now the dashboard is ready. We need to make it working. Before that, let's create this. This is nothing but a rectangle shape. And we'll give same gradient so that it looks same. And then let's insert a text box on top of it and just say 0% here. So I guess I didn't insert the text box. Let me insert it again. Text box with 0%, and let me increase the size of it to 20 and bold, Control B. Let's put it here. Okay. So from 5 to 100, the value we will be entering in the cell E. Example, I want it to be 5%. So if you click this particular one and go here, it's if we can rotate this, the rotation at 0 degree. Suppose if you rotate 360 or 355 and 360. Yeah, 360 is exact same place. We'll say here equal to this one into 360. So now it need to rotate 18. How will we do that? Go to developer and Visual Basic, come to the same sheet, select worksheet, and it should be in select change method. So what it does is whenever there is some change in the particular sheet, that particular piece of code will run. So here we need to type this code. Let's say set needle is equal to that's sheet 8. This workbook dot worksheet of sheet 8 dot shapes of, let's get the shape name. This shape name is group 4 because we have group 2 needles into same thing, so it's group 4. Now let's say needle dot rotation is equal to the same sheet dot cells of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column 1, 6 dot value, and so this should be always a number. Don't worry, I will post this code in the comments so you can pick from there. The only change what you will be doing is the cell number and this group, whatever the group. How you will find is click the same needle and you will be finding your group name here. Put that one here and update wherever the cell you want the value to come, that cell ID or cell number. This is row and this is column. So now we are having A, B, C, D. If you want to see 1, 2, 3, go to options, formula, click R1, C1 reference tile and hit OK. You should be able to see the number, so which is 1, 6. Let's check whether it is working. And yeah, before that, one more thing we need to do. This should be equal to same one. Yeah, 5 and let's say 10, 100, 50. Yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.